You ready?
Yep. All right. Tyler is going to adjust the tappets on the 6-cylinder whilst it's running. So we got to get video of this. It's coming along good though. It's running better. It's braking better. Not like braking, but stopping. While he's getting ready, I finished the twice piping on the Dart the other day. Just a cheap hack job for now. Lots quieter inside when you drive it, so that's the good thing. Not too shabby for part store mufflers. Do we want to take the valve cover off and then start it back up?
Yeah, there's no sense in having it running the whole time.
Right.
I want to get the well, should I adjust this while it's off or right now?
Oh, that must mean we got the carb set decent. Uh-oh.
Got a little bit of a dead spot when I step on the gas sometimes, but
Oh. We'll get her broke down and we'll be back.
so let's see. This one's 008. It goes in those. This one, nope. That one, yep. That one, nope. I think this one was it. Yep.
Now that
Yep. Nope.
that adjustment though, isn't it on
Well, yeah.
the flat spot of the cam?
Okay. Well.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that would make at some points you wouldn't be able to get it in there.
You wouldn't be able to get nothing in there because it should be compressed.
But I thought when you're doing it with it running, it's banging down on your filler gauge. Well, I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, that would make sense to me now because I mean, why would you over tighten them? You
right.
Want to do that
because when this push rod's all the way up on the cam, it's because this valve is starting to open.
Okay. Now I've heard.
Well, why don't we just do it by rolling the motor around then?
Do you know how to do that exactly? Because I've read different ways, and it confuses me. You know, it seems like there's a lot of work to it, but I think it'll be fine. I've done it this way before with it running. So
what do you do then? You just slip it in and out till it's just tight?
Yeah, sit there and when you feel a drag, you know, you figure it's kind of nice, and then you go all the way down, come back up, do it again, you know, if you have to. If it doesn't sound right, you know, if you're still hearing something.
Well,
but so
I say go for it.
Okay, so we're gonna need 10 for the intakes. There's two intakes next to each other here.
Mm-hmm.
and then 20 for the exhaust ports, which you can see right there, exhaust. And we got the idle down low.
Got a wrench.
Yep, I got a couple of different wrenches set up here. I don't know which one's going to work best. I've got this one,
bendy wrenchy,
and then this one because you don't want to mess with the
left
ratchet.
and right. Yep,
Yeah,
yep, gotcha.
So, and it's also it bends a little bit, so with the things rocking up. So,
you want me to fire it and you can just get to work?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Oh.
Oh.
I was reaching through the steering wheel, my arm hit the...
Okay, we got an intake here.
Exhaust. Which one are you on? Oh, that is intake. Oh my God.
Let's see, what?
Not nearly as messy as I figured it'd be.
No.
Of course, the idle's way down.
Actually, are we getting any oil coming up? I don't really see any oil coming anywhere. Maybe when you're revving it well, but...
They're really not too clattery though, are they?
Well, with an idling like this, no. It almost seems like it'd be better to have them idle up a little bit.
Better to have them what?
Have idle up a little bit, maybe.
I don't know. Dear wish is my command. I can't get a screwdriver in there. How's that?
Yeah, that'll be a little better.
Are you having to turn a few of them then? Looks like it.
Well, yeah. Pretty close. Good thing I used a... Oh, I didn't use a star.
Oh,
I was hoping that,
yeah.
12-point light, because it'd be easier to get it on there, but I thought of it, I just didn't do it. Now, supposedly, if you're leaning on this thing, you're going to have, so you want to make your wrench, take your wrench off when you do it again. If you're leaning on this, you're going to give, it's not going to fill the same.
Oh, gotcha.
Maybe, make it pull a little off. That doesn't feel bad. That one, I might want a little bit on that one.
You gonna do plugs and drool tubes too?
I probably should.
Might as well, huh? I swear it seems a little quieter already.
There's the brake.
Oh, we should have mounted the GoPro on one of the rocker arms, so it'd just be going up and down.
Oh, that's ridiculous. That one feels pretty good. Almost like a little tighter than I would think, but it ain't bad. That one doesn't even want to go in there. Loosen that one up a little bit, I think. Get the star out.
Oh, he had it! Right there, right there, right there you go.
Am I sticking it in the right place?
There's in there.
Here again, this one's pretty tight. What was that? That was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I had 3 and 5 were tight before I started. I couldn't get
Okay.
anything on there.
Should have seen Blake's Facebook post. He said, going fishing with my dad today. And he put a picture up later. He goes, caught a 108-inch barracuda.
I think I've got this fill down a little better now. What I want.
Oh, we're getting oil up top though. I can see it pooling on top of the springs. Look at his arm.
Yeah, kind of surprised that any of them are even tight, because you'd think normally they'd be loose.
Maybe it was done recently, you know?
Well, you know, I was watching some different videos, and like one guy, he was saying 10 and 12 instead of 10 and 20.
Yeah.
And I should have went in the comment section and said, hey, you know, I think you said it wrong, because you might have a bunch of guys out there doing it wrong then. But maybe I'll get around to that one of these days. But hopefully everyone's gonna.
Oh yeah, we unplugged the temperature sender. Check the temp. She seems to be doing good. to go. Laying it down, folks. Oh, yeah. So, situation report seems to be good. It's a good thing we did it outside because we didn't have the rag in the right spot. So, it made a mess of oil, but whatever. We're gonna slap a Dodge, just a coat of Chrysler red on that valve cover. Ooh, yeah. What, spray a few coats on it? We can go set it in the sunlight and let her bake on?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Possibly drop it on the way out the garage.
Don't make me laugh, my glasses fog up. How long after you put the tacky coat on?
I just
go ahead and do it.
I just spray it till it starts running. And then just follow the run down to the bottom. All right, you've all seen paint before.
Barracuda.